Hello friends, in this video we're gonna show how to make a simple Christmas tree using cereal lights. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is marking on the wall. Just decide how height you want it to be and find your center. Next, use a ruler or just visualize how your tree gonna be and mark the bottom two ends. Here I drew a thin line using pencil to ensure that it's in a tree shape. Now paste the glue drops along the marking with equal gaps. Now take the cereal lights in your hand and make sure the first end is placed on the center glue drop and work a little bit to attach it properly. Now you're gonna move your cereal lights in a zigzag motion to ensure that it is pasted on the glue drops in a tree shape. Here I'm adding a star at the top and trying to paste the Christmas bubbles on the glue drops. And here Sahil is taking the Christmas ornaments and hanging over the cereal lights and trying to decorate the Christmas tree in his own way. He's having a lot of fun decorating the Christmas tree and you can definitely try making for your kids. Here we go. This is the first Christmas tree idea, to just leave like this and see that your Christmas tree is so simple and cute on your wall. To garnish, I use this garland. As I have only small garland, I have to cut into pieces and paste them on the outer lines. Yeah, this is what the tree looks like. So here is an added setup for my kiddos. For this, I've wrapped the boxes with a gift wrapper, which is a Christmas theme wrapper, and I arranged them in this way. Also, I added a fairy string light in front of the boxes and added a star on the top of it. So finally, when you switch off all the lights, this is how your Christmas tree looks like. I think it really turned out good and overall it's so cute. I hope you liked it as well. Please drop in the comment section what does our Christmas tree look like. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.